Next point is relation between circle, chord and arc. Okay, a segment joining any 2 points, a segment joining any 2 points on a circle is called as chord of that circle. We consider this circle and we can draw here segment AB. This is the chord of the circle and this is the center of the circle. काय करणार? हॅलो, हा दिसतंय का पहा आता? हां ओके, चला. हो हो, ठीक आहे ठीक आहे. क्लिअर दिसतंय आता? करू स्टार्ट? हां. वी हॅव टू सी अ रिलेशन बिटवीन सर्कल, chord and arc. Okay, we know that a segment joining any 2 points on a circle, which is called as chord of a circle. Okay, and this is the center of the circle. If we draw a segment from point C to the chord AB, this CD, segment CD, this segment CD is perpendicular to the chord AB. Segment CD is the perpendicular to the chord AB. There is one property, the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord AB, which is bisect chord AB, or we can say here the segment joining the center of a circle and midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Okay, now we can draw here join points CA and here CB, point CB. Okay, then we get here arc AXB, arc AXB. This is the center of the circle. This CD is the perpendicular to the chord AB, and we can draw here segment CA and segment CB, and we make here chord AXB. This is the chord of circle AXB. Now the chords corresponding to the congruent chords. This is the chord AB, and we can draw here also chord EF. Okay, this chord AB congruent to chord EF. Then we can join these 2 points again, point C and point CF. Okay, and we get here chord EYF, sorry, arc EYF. Chord EF and chord AB are congruent chords. Therefore, the arc AXB and arc EYF also congruent. That is, there is a property, the chords corresponding to congruent arcs are congruent. If these arcs AYF and arc AXB are congruent arc, then chord EF and chord AB are also congruent. Okay, if we know the perpendicular distance this and radius of the circle, then we can find the chord AB. We have known the perpendicular distance from center to the chord and radius of the circle CA. then we can find chord AB. We see one example here. Example is, we have to give one radius of a circle, radius of a circle with center O is 10 centimeter, with center O is 10 centimeter and distance, we have to find length. Find the length of the chord. Find the length of the chord. Find the length of the chord if the chord is at a distance. If the chord is at a distance of 6 centimeter from the center, of 6 centimeter from the center. Okay, now in this example we have to given that radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Suppose this is the radius CA is equal to 10 centimeter, and also we have to given that a distance of 6 centimeter from the center of chord. This distance CD is equal to 6 centimeter, and we have to find the chord AB. Okay, now here this triangle ACD, we have to give one radius R is equal to AC is equal to, okay, hello, don't chit chat each other, एकमेकांमध्ये बोलू नका. काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? हाँ, we have to given here radius of the circle is equal to R equal to AC equal to 10 centimeter and segment AD perpendicular distance is equal to 6 centimeter, and we have to find the chord AB. Now we know that this triangle ACD is a right angle triangle. Okay, now we know that Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem we can write here segment AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square, AD square plus CD square. Okay, now we have to find here segment AD. Therefore we can write here AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. Now we have to given that segment AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Segment AC equal to 10 centimeter, 10 square minus segment CD equal to 6 bracket square. Okay, then we can find here, we write here AD square equal to, segment AD square equal to 100, 10 square means 100 minus 6 square 36. That is, we can find here AD square is equal to 100 minus 36, 64, and segment AD equal to only, taking square root on both sides, we can write AD equal to 6. That is, we get this distance AD is equal to 6, and this point D is the midpoint of segment AB or chord AB. Therefore distance AD equal to distance DB. Okay, therefore this distance DB also 8 centimeter, AD equal to 8 centimeter, DB is equal to also 8 centimeter. Then chord AB, what is distance of chord AB? Chord AB is equal to 8 plus 8, 16 centimeter. Okay, similarly we can find the perpendicular distance if we have to given the radius of the circle and chord of the circle. Okay, now we see next point. relation between congruent chords and their distances from the center of the circle. Next point is relation between congruent chords, relation between congruent chords of a circle and their distances of a circle and their distances from the center, okay. We know that this relation is congruent chords of a circle are equidistant from the center of the circle. काय रिलेशन आहे? congruent chords of a circle are equidistant from center of the circle. बघा तुम्हाला इथं फिगर काढलेली दिसते. दोन कॉर्ड्स काढलेत आपण, कॉर्ड AB, कॉर्ड DF, कॉन्ग्रुएंट कॉर्ड्स आहेत. डिस्टन्स AB इज इक्वल टू 15.5 सेंटीमीटर and distance DF also 15.5 centimeter and center C. Then we can draw perpendiculars from center to the chords CM and CN. These distances are 7.5 centimeter. Okay, the congruent chords AB and DF, which are equidistant from the center of the circle. Okay, या फिगरमध्ये दिसतंय आपल्याला हे जे डिस्टन्स आहे काउंट केल्यानंतर आपल्याला 7.5 सेंटीमीटर असं दिसणार आहे. डिस्टन्स CM अँड डिस्टन्स CN अँड कॉर्ड AB इक्वल टू 15.5 अँड कॉर्ड DF इज ऑल्सो 15.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, द कॉर्ड्स ऑफ अ सर्कल equidistant from the center of the circle. This is the property, one of the property in relation between congruent chords and congruent chords of a circle and perpendicular distances of the circle from center. Okay, now we have to see next point, circles in a plane.